Hello everyone, today I'd like to introduce to everyone how to use KDMX to operate this BDC3. Add an FGB key to it. The required tools are the BDC03 specific dismantling, free clip, and the cable series _ cable. Specific cable for BDC03 clip 2K. DMAX. Now I'll show everyone how to use it. First, take out the BDC03 specific dismantling, free clip. Now turn on these 4 switches. There are 4 wire definitions here. These 4 sequentially corresponding wires. Now, let's connect the wires. Take apart the back cover of the original car key. Now, clip the BDC03 specific dismantling, free clip onto the key's back cover. Insert the cable series _ cable, specific cable for BDC03 clip 2K, DMAX plug into the KDMAX. Click Remote Function. Slide down and click Smart Key Clone. Click BMW BDC03 BCP Smart Key Clone. Click G Chassis BDC3 XO in. Click OK. Click Read Chip Data. Click OK. Click OK. Place the FGB57 in the KDMC induction area. Click KDFGB type. Click KDFGB remote. Click OK. Click OK. Now this PCB can be installed into the case and used normally.